Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here you have an option flip selfie. So you just disable it, and for example, now let's take for example this front camera photo and another one with this feature enabled, and as you can see these photos, they are like mirrored, you know. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.